In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this image by using Blender and Stable Diffusion XL. Please use Workbench with 768 by 768 resolution without composite nodes. The meshes were created by using scaled plane and spheres. Please render the image and import it in Stable Diffusion. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. This was the first image. Then I used Stable Diffusion's image-to-image feature to produce higher quality images. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.